In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a windshield wiper. And if you're like me and you got like an older style windshield wiper that's come apart, just like this one right here has, I have the Michelin optimized on this side. So what I did, I went ahead and got the same wiper for the passenger side because, you know, when it was time to upgrade, I wanted to get it. And this has been on here pretty much the life of the vehicle. That has lasted a long time. So if you want to get a good wiper that lasts, go ahead and spring a little extra more. It's almost double the cost of this one, but I can tell y'all, you won't have to replace them for probably years. Because look at this, according to them, they have tested this 1,750,000 wipes. They got the advanced wear durability testing, the night shield technology. It's a 3-in-1. It cleans, it protects, and it enhances. And you know, looking over it here, it's great for heavy rain, sleet, snow, extreme heat, ceramic shield, and night shield. So it has the aerodynamic design. It's sleek and designed, built with a spoiler effect on the top, so it doesn't like catch the wind. The frame, it's frameless. Unlike this, you see how this has a frame to it. This one is the frameless curved. It's got double coupler technology for more consistent pressure, fast and easy installation. If you've ever installed these hook, mine's the hook style. If you've ever installed those, it's pretty simple. You can see right there, it goes on the 9mm or 3mm. The hook arm, clean, smooth, quiets wipers, protects against UVs. These things are absolutely amazing, y'all. I have used the Michelin wipers in the past, and every vehicle I've ever owned, I've got a set of these. So let's go ahead and take this one off and then put this one on, and you can see it's morning time. I've got a lot to do on there, and we'll see how quickly this thing wipes up. I'm not turning it on until I get this on. So let's go ahead and take this out of the box now. Okay, what I do when I do these, I put a little piece of wood or something to bridge a gap. So that way, if I do accidentally let go of this, you don't have your wiper going down and shattering your windshield there. So when I take this off, there's kind of like a little protective barrier if it does slip. Either that or put like something here, say like a blanket or pillow or something, because I'm telling y'all, I've heard of people taking their wiper off and then forgetting, and the wiper blade's off, and then this comes down and it hits there and it shatters the entire windshield. So just a tech tip for y'all right there. So let me go ahead and pull this one off, and let's get the other one ready, and then we'll put it on. As you can see, it's so old that it's dry rotted, and it broke when I started to slide it out, and you can see how the frame has come loose right there. This is the older style like windshield wiper, and you could see, I'm just going to put that right there. And then I took this out of the package, and look at the design of this thing. There is a cover on it that you're going to take that off and that off, but you see the design of how this is, and it's super simple. It's just a click in. They do give you some extra, so if you had like a bigger vehicle, you might have to use this little piece right here, and they do give you a set of instructions on how to do it. So there it is, everybody. I pulled the little pieces off right here, and it just slides into place, and then it pops in. And if you need to take it off, you'll just press this little button right here, and that will take it off. See how it has a little switch right there to take it off? So remember to remove these things, and you can kind of see. So now I can take my little safety board out right here. So let's go inside and let's turn them on and see how quickly it wipes up. Let's turn that on. I'm going to turn on the wipers and let's see what it does. Oh boy, look at that. No streaking. That looks awesome. You can see how nice and clean that wiper works. You notice there's no squeaking, no streaking, or anything right behind. Very impressive on these Michelin wipers. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Michelin Optimal Plus ceramic beam wiper. Probably the last wiper you'll ever buy for your vehicle. I have 3 of them on this one. So see y'all in the next video.